Hello everyone. Let's jump straight into a comparison that creates confusion in many organizations. In professional terms, an IT PMO focuses on governing and supporting technology related projects, while a business PMO focuses on initiatives driven by business strategy, outcomes, and value across functions. Now, let me say that in very simple English. An IT PMO looks after technology projects, a business PMO looks after business change. Both manage projects, but they start from different priorities. You've probably seen this at work. One PMO talks about systems, releases, and integrations. Another talks about revenue, customers, process improvement, or compliance. Same word, PMO, very different conversations. So the key takeaway here is this: IT PMO and business PMO are not better or worse, just different in focus. And once we see that difference, the next natural question is, what exactly does each one focus on day to day? Let's break that down together. From a professional perspective, an IT PMO primarily focuses on technology delivery, system stability, and technical governance, while a business PMO focuses on business outcomes, benefits realization, and strategic alignment. Stay with me here. In simple terms, the IT PMO asks, did the system work? The business PMO asks, did the business improve? You've probably seen an IT project delivered on time, but the business still unhappy. That's when you realize delivery success and business success are not the same thing. I once saw an IT PMO celebrate a flawless system launch. The business PMO then asked, are people actually using it? That question changed the conversation completely. So now that we understand the different focus areas, the next step is understanding who each PMO primarily serves. Now let's talk about stakeholders. Professionally, an IT PMO primarily serves IT leadership, technical teams, and technology vendors, while a business PMO serves business leaders, functional managers, and enterprise stakeholders. Let me simplify that. An IT PMO speaks the language of technology. A business PMO speaks the language of business. You've probably seen meetings where technical terms lose business leaders, or business discussions lose technical teams. That's why these PMOs exist separately in some organizations. I once saw a business PMO act as a translator between IT and the business. Suddenly, fewer arguments and clearer expectations appeared on both sides. So now that we understand who each PMO serves, the next logical question is, how does governance differ between IT PMO and business PMO? Let's explore governance. From a professional standpoint, IT PMO governance emphasizes technical standards, architecture compliance, and system risk, while business PMO governance emphasizes value, prioritization, and benefits delivery. In simple words, IT PMO governance protects systems, business PMO governance protects outcomes. You've probably seen IT PMOs insist on architecture reviews or security checks. That's necessary. Meanwhile, business PMOs focus on whether initiatives still support strategy and deserve continued investment. I once saw a business PMO stop a project that was technically perfect but no longer aligned with strategy. That decision saved significant effort. So now that we understand governance differences, the next step is understanding where each PMO model fits best. Now let's talk about fit. Professionally, IT PMOs work best in technology-heavy environments, while business PMOs work best where transformation, strategy execution, and cross-functional change are critical. Let's break this down together. Organizations that rely heavily on IT delivery often need strong IT PMOs. Organizations focused on growth, change, and value often benefit from business PMOs. You've probably seen large enterprises run both. The IT PMO ensures stable systems, while the business PMO ensures the organization actually benefits from those systems. I once saw an organization struggle because everything sat under the IT PMO. When a business PMO was added, business outcomes finally improved. So now that we understand where each PMO fits best, the final step is understanding how these two PMOs can work together effectively. Let's bring everything together calmly and clearly. An IT PMO ensures technology projects are delivered reliably and safely, while a business PMO ensures initiatives deliver real business value and strategic outcomes. In simple words, one keeps the engine running, the other makes sure the journey is worth taking. When IT PMO and Business PMO work together, technology enables strategy instead of blocking it, and business decisions respect technical realities. So now that you've mastered the difference between IT PMO and Business PMO, their focus, stakeholders, governance, we are going to discuss Agile PMO APMO in details in next chapter.